And welcome to a new tutorial. It will be a fast tutorial. I forgot in the last one to provide you information about the G value unset. Let me go to its reference for a second. G value unset, which is very important for you to know that this function it is there and you need to use it if you need to clear your value. So clear the current value in a value, if any, and unsets the type this releases or resources associated with this G value. So unset value is the same as an uninitialized zero filler G value structure. What this means, basically, because too much theory is not always the better one. What this means. So let us go back and check the program flow. So we decide to declare the value. We know we just have it. We set it to 0, like it says right here also, so 0 filler, like right here. Anyway, it's not important right now. So basically we declare inside the value, and then we decide to put a data type inside this value. So basically we decide to say to this value which kind of data type should use. After that we put some information and we use the value. Once that we're done with it, basically we need to clear this value. So G value unset, and then the value set. Well, now watch, let me show you something. You remember in the last tutorial I showed you the way how you set the margin, and then after that we change all these things just to create a string. But you can do something else much more interesting using the same value, which we are going to use right now. So basically we create a value of a G type string, and we use it for our label, and now we are going to set the margin using the same value without deleting all those information. We are going to create a new one. So basically now what do we need after we create this information? What do you think? Well, it is very easy. Once that we unset it, it says right here, clears the current value in the value and unsets the type. So basically what means? It means this part right here. So I'm going to copy it, I'm going to throw it here and set a new data type, which use the variable. So basically we're going to set it now to int. Okay. This is the thing which we create, and now put a value inside this one right here. So now put some value in the variable. Now we are going to use the int again right here, and of course we are going to say 50 again or whatever to the value. And once we are done with it, I'm going to copy this call right here. No, both of them. I'm going to call both of them right here. So this means we are use the variable again, I'm going to say, and the value is this time int, and of course we are going to set again the margin. Now let's see what happens. G value unset value, it is because I forgot to pass its address. It says right here, same story. And now as you will see, that works for both. You see, the value is quit, it's changed to quit, and the value is 50. Of course we see that it's 50 because the button is very small right here, because the margin took so much place for the button. You see, so basically now you understand better. We can again unset it. So clear the value. Okay, let me copy it and throw it right here just to have it clear. So basically what we did today, now in this video, we were basically creating a value initially with a type of string. Then we put some information like quit in that string, and then that value which is quit, we use it to change our label to a new label from click to quit. And the same story, later we decide to use the same value again to not declare again another data type. We are just using the same data type by creating a new type of that value, and the G type int, we choose it, we put a value of 50, and then we decide to change the margin value with the new value, which we set it through gValueSetInt. I hope you understand now. I hope that's clear enough for you what GObjectSet property and getProperty does for you. It is very important for you to understand the way how they are working, and you will notice that you need them also, not just like most of people say that GObjectSet and GObjectGet it's more than enough, which you need, because it's wrong. At some point you will notice yourself that you need the GObjectSet property or GObjectGet property to reduce your code. For one side, the GObjectSet property reduce your code where you need to provide more information to GObject function, and for other side, same thing happens with GObject property, GObject function, where the GObject set property, for example, GObjectSet and GObjectSet property, for example, takes too much information. So both of them, you will going to need them, no matter if you choose to use GObjectSet. Let me use it right here, and GObjectGet. Both of them are useful, and both of them you are going to notice that you need them, because if you, for example, you saw if you need to reset parameter to its default value, then you have a little bit to work to use this function here to get the value from the value which you extracted. But with the GObject set property, you don't care about the value. So basically, I hope you understand where the difference is between these two functions right here and these two functions right here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.